Hi, this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today we're going to talk about the Aquabot Spirit. I really like this cleaner. It's a great above ground cleaner. It's low maintenance and it comes with a 2-year warranty. The first thing you're going to find is the cleaner's power supply. Next, you'll find quick start instructions along with a warranty registration card. The warranty registration should take you 5 minutes online. Next, we have the actual cleaner. The Aquabot Spirit comes with a 50-foot cable and our patented Aquabot swivel to help prevent cable tangling. We recommend this cleaner for pools about 40 foot in length. And last, we have 2 extra filter bags. So what we're going to do is going to open up the cleaner real quick to show you what you get. Inside, you'll find 2 filter bags. These filter bags are mesh filter bags and are great for picking up fine particulate to keep your pool crystal clear. The extra filter bags that actually come with the cleaner are great for larger debris, leaves, large pieces of pebbles and rocks, if that happens to be your environment. And that is the Aquabot Spirit.